You see how the top of the tree is swaying? So eventually they gonna get a haircut. Like, cause it's not strong enough to hold all that wind. When the wind get faster and faster, especially next week in Atlanta, it's gonna be raining. Watch what's gonna happen. The trees gonna be falling off the top. They not strong enough to handle that wind. That's crazy. But that's fire though. It's gonna clean it up and stuff like that. Oh, well, we're gonna have to clean it up. It's gonna come down here. It already be happening when it be storming and stuff. That's how the power be going out. Come on now. I'm smart.